Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan dog treats. We will explore simple, wholesome ingredients to create delicious snacks for your canine companion. Many dogs benefit from a plant-based diet, especially those with sensitivities or allergies to common animal proteins. These homemade treats offer a fantastic way to ensure your dog enjoys a nutritious, safe, and tasty snack. For these wholesome treats, you will need just a few simple ingredients. Start with 2 cups of whole wheat flour, a half cup of natural, unsweetened peanut butter, and 1 very ripe banana. Make sure your peanut butter does not contain xylitol, which is harmful to dogs. You will also need a large mixing bowl, a sturdy spoon, and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. First, mash your ripe banana in the large mixing bowl until it is completely smooth. Then, add the half cup of peanut butter, stirring until both ingredients are fully combined. Gradually incorporate the 2 cups of whole wheat flour, mixing until a firm, cohesive dough forms. Knead it gently on a lightly floured surface, then roll it to about 1/4 inch thick. Use cookie cutters to make various fun shapes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your shaped treats on the parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving a small space between each one. Bake them for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until they turn a lovely golden brown and are firm to the touch. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. Store these delicious, homemade treats in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.